Hello everyone, David at Grow and Eat This. I pulled the cover back off of this and it's had a frost cover, you know, the ones you can't see through. So it always ends up being kind of a surprise, good and bad. But I need to get these things out of here because it's getting hot. And here's a real shame. There's a real shame. That is one nice cauliflower that just flat got away from me. You can't tell through the row covers. But look at this one. This guy here is just fine. And then we're going to come over and see what else we have over here. Here's a cabbage. The head is not very big, but it is hard as a rock. So it's going to be a good one. No idea what happened to that one. Here's another one. Oh, it's a good hard head. This little guy here just didn't quite make it. God, this is like a baseball. Hard as a rock, like a softball. Gonna be delicious. This one is good. This one is good. This one is good. And this one is good. Gonna be some great pickings. So we're gonna start getting this stuff picked because up there is where my eggplant go, and it's hot enough to get them planted. Now a bunch of these leaves are going to get chopped up and go in to feed my earthworms because they love chopped up cabbage leaves, cauliflower leaves. And then the other stuff will just go in the compost. But the best of the stuff is going to go in our stomachs. So let me get this set up and we'll show you picking these. So here's our cabbages, and one of the things to remember is just Chris and I. So this cabbage here, this size hard cabbage, enough for us probably 2 meals, and we like cabbage. So you know, these big monster cabbages you buy in the store, totally unnecessary. These little tiny guys are just outstanding. So there's the cabbages, the one cauliflower. I'm going to get the rest of this mess here cleaned up and either composted or fed to the earthworms. And then we can get it ready to plant for the summer crop. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's into April. It's in the high 80s right now, which is unbelievable. And we're getting changed over from the spring crops to the summer crops. Thank you for watching.